What's up, YouTube?
Welcome back, guys.
We're back with another episode of Customs of the Week. We have a whole new lineup of customizers for you guys.
We actually recently dropped a pretty cool sneaker photography video that you guys can go ahead and check out. Jason did a really good job with this video. We go over this a lot when we do our Customs of the Week. We talk about a ton of different aspects of photography, and a lot of stuff gets touched on in this video. So go ahead and make sure you check that out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into today's episode. So first up, we have this Thanos themed pair of LeBron 15s done by Mosh. These came out pretty darn crazy. This is more of a display than really a wearable custom because he went all the way and included some gems to represent the Infinity Gauntlet on the toes of the shoes. That came out really cool. I love the color palette. Obviously matches Thanos really well, so overall great job with these.
I also love how he went the extra mile and added the LeBron Thanos background in the back. I think it really adds a little bit extra to the shoe.
Yeah, that's a really cool edit.
So next up, we have a pair of Air Force Ones done by Never Too Lavish. Let me start off by saying that I think the picture is great. He got low to the ground. He got the nice touch of bokeh in the front and the back, and I think it just adds like that extra oomph. Yeah, exactly.
Definitely. It seems that he used a color palette really similar to all the Statue of Liberty customs that people were doing years back, and then obviously he did this really cool representation of an arrow passing through everything. So I really love this color scheme here. So next up, we have a pair of Beer Bong and Bentley's NMDs inspired by Post Malone's album artwork. These came out really cool. I love how much he matched the artwork. The barbed wire print looks really good all the way through. He did the extra steps. He has a custom laser engraved back tab, which is really cool. And, you know, he did a lot of animations for these, and these came out pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm. Even just a picture alone, I know how much effort it takes to do just that simple edit. But I think going the extra mile and doing all these edits animations for this shoe really just makes you stand above the rest.
And the glow in the dark, great touch.
So next up, we have a pair of Jordan 3 Katrinas done by AstroTurf with the sketch theme on it. And at first, when I first saw this picture, I thought the whole thing was an actual graphic, but it turns out that what the shoe is laying on is a display, which, the whole thing is done well. I thought the whole picture was a graphic and not even actual display.
Yeah. Just all the little touches on here, like adding his signature on the display. My favorite part of the whole thing is doing the cement print. That's super tedious, and he made that, had this cool little sketched out look. Obviously adding the swoosh, which isn't really there, but we've seen that on a few Jordan 3s this year. So these definitely have that look of a sketch theme, in the overall picture, like you mentioned, Jason, just really has that kind of sketched out look where you kind of don't know what you're looking at, which is what you're going for. So. And coming in last, we have this Jordan 4 Camo done by Sabotage. Obviously, you guys know Sabotage. She's been collabing with all the big brands for years. He's super well known for this color palette, for this camo print that he does on everything. And it always comes out super clean. The camo looks great here. The shark teeth, the earthy tones in the color palette. Love how these came out.
Yeah, like Dillon said, the camo's done really well. The shark teeth look really great, and he also adds this like shadow with the object above the shoe, which adds like that mysterious feel to it, I think is amazing.
Mm-hmm. Alright, so there you have it, guys. That was our 5 favorite customs of the past week. We hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode, seeing some new customizers, and of course seeing another repeat customizer. But we had a pretty wide range of shoes, I'd say. Some basketball shoes, some Air Forces, some Jordans. Yep. So pretty fun week.
So again, if you guys want to be featured on this show, make sure you use the hashtag Customs of the Week so we can find you guys.
And make sure you guys go ahead and give this video a like. Make sure you're subscribed to the page, and we will see you guys next Saturday.